Most beginners move data in Excel the wrong way. Let me show you the correct way. Here is some data in Excel. First, let's copy data. Select the cells you want to copy. Right-click on the selection. Click Copy. Now click on the destination cell. Right-click again. Click Paste. This copies the data and keeps the original data in place. Now let's move data. Select the same cells again. Right-click on the selection. Click Cut. Click on the new location. Right-click. Click Paste. The data is moved from the original place. Now let's use drag and drop. Select the cells. Move your mouse to the border of the selection. When the pointer changes, click and drag. Release the mouse at the new location. This also moves the data. If you drag from the middle of the cells, Excel edits the data instead of moving it. Always drag from the border. This completes Chapter 1 of Learning Excel from Scratch.